Wondering how to create this advanced effect in Premiere Pro? Let's break it down together in just 2 minutes. And stay till the end, there's a free preset for you. Import your video into Premiere Pro. Then duplicate it and move it to the third track. With the top layer selected, choose the Object Mask tool and select the subject you want to mask. Click on Tracking and wait for the process to finish. Once the tracking is done, right-click on the layer and choose Change to Opacity Mask. Now your subject is separated from the background, similar to the roto brush in After Effects. Add a bunch of random images to your timeline. Then select all of them and set their duration to 2 frames using speed/duration. Make sure all the images fit perfectly in the frame by using Set to Frame Size. After that, nest all the images and drag the nested layer under your main video. Now apply the Track Matte key effect to the nested layer. In the Matte section, select the third video layer. This way, the images will appear only inside your masked subject. Finally, duplicate the top layer one more time and set the blend mode to Color Dodge. Then select the middle 2 layers, nest them again, and apply the preset I created. I'll add the preset in the description so you can download it from there. And that's it, your effect is ready. You can use this technique in any video you want. Make sure to stay tuned for more advanced effect tutorials.